Before the International Space Station became humanity's home among the stars, there were bold experiments, risky missions, and telescopes that changed our understanding of the cosmos. In 1973, NASA launched Skylab, America's first space station. Built from parts of a Saturn V rocket, Skylab was an ambitious step toward living and working in space. 3 crews spent months aboard, conducting solar observations and experiments that paved the way for future stations. 2 years later, Apollo and Soyuz, 2 spacecraft from rival nations, docked in orbit. The Apollo-Soyuz test project symbolized a new possibility: international crews working together in space. In 1990, the Space Shuttle carried the Hubble Space Telescope into orbit. Hubble wasn't a home, it was an eye. Its discoveries redefined astronomy. When a flaw was found, astronauts returned to fix it. Proving humans could maintain and upgrade complex machines in space. By the late 1990s, nations joined forces to build something larger: the International Space Station. Launched module by module, assembled piece by piece in orbit, the ISS became a laboratory, a home, and a symbol of global cooperation. It supports research, long-duration missions, and the dream of going farther. From Skylab to the ISS, humanity built a home among the stars. But this is only the beginning. Mars awaits. Follow for more space stories. Subscribe to the Space Chronicles.